Wow, the ball is coming. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ramjan Ratan. Once again, I have come with another new brand video. Today, I would like to talk about the beauty of this field. As you can see, beside me, around me, wherever I see, I can see people and boys. They are playing, they are gossiping. Just look, wow, the ball is coming. I have shot it. They are over here. So many people they have come for enjoying this beauty of this field. Over there, the football match is going on. Over here, one another match is going on, and over here, one another match is going on. So this field has divided three part. It was is really exciting. Many people they have come for spending their leisure time in the afternoon time. It's very beautiful. Whenever anyone come, they can see this type of crowd over here. Over there, the big match, the big football match is going on. The spectator audience over there, they are watching, they are enjoying the beauty. Over there, if I zoom, you will be able to see that some shop I'll sit over there. It is really beautiful. You can come over here for enjoying, for spending your quality time and leisure time as well. This way, people, not only me but also people are enjoying, they are spending. And I have come over here for my practicing. This is my practicing video. If you watch my video and if you enjoy my video, please subscribe my channel.